How you doing, friends out there on YouTube and Facebook? Let me tell you right quick, you can hit us up on Reeling and Telling the Truth on Facebook. You can hit me up at the Greg Audrey group on YouTube. I'm out here walking Jody. We having a good old time. Here's the thing. I got to thinking, as a teacher, check this out. I've had Jody for 10 years. She's my bud. Female lab. Mixed with Pit. But she's smart. I can tell Jody, once I give her a plate to eat, food, I can ask her to go back to eat. I can ask Jody what she's doing, what she's thinking. And she'll do that in her dog ways, which are pretty good. But here's the thing. People used to complain like, I won't have a dog. I'm walking Jody now, that's why she's pulling me. I wouldn't have a dog. They shed. They do this, they do that. You gotta clean up the poop. Come here, Jody. But see, here's the thing. She's obedient. What about having a child who you have to pay for shoes, clothes, food, and they still don't do what you want them to do? They still making F's or E's. No, they don't give E's no more, they give F's. They still can't read. They still can't comprehend. But they're socially ready on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. So if I had to go to the bank, I'm gonna go to the bank with Jody. She's been with me for 10 years, like I said. Very smart, intelligent, minds. And guess what? In 10 years I've had Jody, I've only had to discipline her once. And that's when she was 6 months old. You know, if you know anything about pits, labs, or pit boxers, you know, female, they alphas. Come on, Jody. And she bit me. And here's the thing. I grabbed her by a collar. Come on, girl, look. Didn't hurt her. But I tore her up. And I made her look me in the eye. And I explained to her that I am the boss. Come on, girl. Come on, be us right now. Jody. I feed you. I clothe you. Well, I don't clothe her, but I clean up. I give you attention. You're going to do what I say do. Now, guess what? I haven't had to do anything like that in 10 years after that. Well, 4 or 5 years. Because look, she does what she do. We got to understand it. That I'm going to take care of her needs if she do what I want. Check this out, folks. That's how it works with children. You get them to do what you need for them to do, and then they get what they want. That's what I think. Let me know what you think. My name is Joe Craig, host of the Joe Craig Show, where I try to keep it real and report the truth from my perspective and my atrocities and understanding. It works. Peace out. I'll talk to you later.